Trallallero. Ćao draugi, mēs esam pie Trallallero trallallā. Kur mēs esam? Parādi. Jā, veči, pagaidi, mums tur redzēs, ka mums ir liela aparatūra un akcijas.
Hello. You are the security?
Yes.
Tacos.
Tacos, hello.
You are the owner of the shop? I look like
When you gone?
the owner. Where are you from? Latvia. Latvia. Yeah. Nice. And carefully, because the insurance is not full cover. It's third-party insurance. You know what is third-party insurance. Please drive safe. I don't want you to come back here and I say 1,000 damage or 500 or I don't want to charge anything. I want to be a good friend. When I come in Latvia, you look after me. So I start first and I look after you here.
Medot dibenā paņems. Nu jā, būs diviem jābrauc kvadri. Es nebraukšu kvadri.
You have to make this forward, put it to your head and make this down. You tied it from the inside and you...
Press and brake and start.
Now to get the boulder ready, bro.
Neutral. H is a high-speed gear. Please don't use low gear. The low gear is the same power, but it's 10 kilometer top speed. Nothing special.
No?
You're gonna explode the gear.
Yeah.
The handbrake, I have it loose. But I'm afraid the people, they forget it on and drive, and it's very easy to catch fire. So I have it loose. Just put it on parking.
No zoom.
Do donation. Listen, guys, it's more safe and more secure. You show with your hands. Because when the car follow, you say, they forget the indicator. There is not any chance to forget your hands when you drive. Okay, this is the one. We go to the next one. I come in Latvia, I find you.
Of course.
You are the security.
It won't be hard.
It won't be hard, man.
You're gonna look after me.
Of course.
And I look after you here.
Yes.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay.
We are waiting for you in Latvia.
Touch wood. If you be in trouble, say, I'm very good friend of Tacos.
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 Let me call him.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
You are allowed to use my name. But don't do stupid things and then use my
I
name.
promise. I won't do
Okay.
stupid things.
The quad has no key, right?
If somebody catch you from here, how you remove the hands away?
Shit. This.
If you remove the hands away, you remove it. Again. Okay. But you have one hand free. You have one hand free to punch.
Yes.
I have also one hand free
Oh,
to punch.
yes.
So
Forgot about that.
one good way is if somebody cut you hard, it's not easy to remove this because the body push there, you
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
push this.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But if somebody cuts you there and press you,
Yeah.
press, not back, just not like this, just press like this.
Oh, okay.
If somebody press you there, look the easier way.
Just
Pressure. But you don't say, oh look, I can do this. Somebody cut you there, you use your hands all this way.
exactly.
Hug it out, hug it out.
Calimera. So gentlemen, please drive safe and carefully. Nice to meet you. Security, you look after me, ah.
Yes.
You promise?
I promise.
Sure.
Yes.
Good. I love you. I love you, baby. You are the most sexy man I think today. No, I'm not sexy. When you finish your cigarette, you are allowed to go. You know I'm very famous in Cyprus, and maybe they ask
Yeah,
you
I saw
money.
this.
That's why we're filming it.
I saw this logo also online.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you write
The
for?
Brothers Tacos. I know this shop. I didn't know we are coming here.
Yes.
Yeah. I saw this.
You
online.
come here by accident.
No, George. I think the guy managing the villa.
Ah.
He referred.
Ah.
Take picture with him.
That's us.
No.
Yes.
That's you.
Yes.
No, that one. That's you. Yeah, it's true. Come to Dubai, Habibi. Hey, I think you have to get a picture with me to be more famous.
Okay.
This is my doctor. I work here I do this job from the 86,
Damn.
30 years
1986.
or 40 years.
Not 40, 36.
39. You said 86.
Yeah,
That's almost 40 years.
39, you are right.
One more
Oh, I
year.
get that older,
I didn't
no
mean to
chance. You make a
insult you.
mistake on your mathematics, man. I'm not that old. Never know when you have the problem. I'm here. Anything you want, I'm here.
Thank you very much. Nu, man, tu esi gatavs?
Open the ride, bro.
Mums nav durvis?
Mēs sekojam kādam vai kas? Zini,
Nē. Rainaram jau tieši.
Jā, brīvs noderēt. Kā jums jaudīgs, Daren? Jums jaudīgs?
nu tā, ir ok. Bremžas, kuņi.
Bez šies bagīs tā nojās, cik godīgi.
Šais paļupam arī.
Viņam reāli stūri brauco stāv šitā,
Jā,
un ātrumos nevar ielikt, jāpisās, un tu, bļeļ, spied un bremzes vispār nav. Viņam bremzes vispār nav reāli. Braucat uz Paralimpi vai uz Ajanapa vai
Man vienalga.
pa šoseji, nu,
Teica, nevar uz šoseis braukt.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Kur te esi?
Čia arī parāda, kāds brīls ieķēra. Mēs braucām veikalu tikai, lai saules brīls noķertu.
tu redzēji to mazo ārā.
Es viņu neredzēju, bet pupi bija labi. Šā pasies kāds tā alkašira. Es ar šitādu pudeli gribētu īstenībā kolekcijai. Un te ir šitā krūtā. Viņš ir galvenais makinators, viņš visas pagrieziens rāda.
Man ir enerģiskais ar ziemas tirsīšanu.
Kāpēc uz ziemas čari? Tev visu laiku ir vasara.
Rakstīts virsū.
Parādi.
Black
Kur?
cherry, ziemas ķirši, fujek.
Kāpēc black ir ziema?
Tāpēc, kad melnie ir ziemas, think about it.
Jūs visi ēdīsiet papadītas?
Nē, man viņu tikai.
Tikai divi?
Būs viena Hawaiian pizza.
Kopā maksās?
Mēs kopā maksājam. Es varu samaksāt kopā un tad var... Vai jūs paši? Kopā.
Kā vienpār?
Būs vēl
Tad
Hawaiian.
ir divas papadījas vai viena?
Divas papadies, viens beef un viens mediterranean.
Daži?
Arī pizza.
Jā, papadies bija labs.
Pizza?
Viena Hawaiian large un viena large New Orleans jazz. Cheese grilled chicken.
Šies bija
Barbecue
vislabāk.
neņēma.
Mediterraneans nezinu.
Tu neņem barbecue, bet
Nē, es ņēmu
Protams, man slice.
beef bija vislabākais.
Hawaiian un New Orleans jazz.
Man arī būs.
Pagaišu analogu. Viņam papadīja.
Ko vēl?
Sliktāk nekā es domāju.
Kāds ir vēl viens incidents?
Ibas incidents 2.
Black cherry, ziemas ķirši, fujek.
Ļoti basani. Mēs bišķiņi uzpildamies šeit un tad mēs maucam uz atkal to parku, kur vakar bijām. Ja mēs nebijām visam cauri izgājuši.
Čūs, kolī, reāli izsies sapnīsies vairs.
Ko, braucam tālāk svēri?
Maucam.
don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Hit my old plug, I get it in and go. Shot it, owe me something, better pay your toll. Hey, hey, I lit the spoon and I scrape the balls. Scrape the balls, scrape the balls. Like, did you get the memo? She eat a rotary. I'm popping hella Skittles, and I can solve your riddle. We'll smoke you like it's menthol. This dude is crazy mental. A SWAT hood hero. Got Johnny Dang dental. She's a new fan. She slobbing on a pillow. Got chicken wrapped in Nero. She's so gone and she can hear. She don't wanna strip no more. Don't wanna hit that pole. Hit my old plug, I get it and go. She don't wanna strip no more. Don't wanna hit that pole. Hit my old plug, I get it in and go. Shot it, owe me something, better pay your toll. Hey, hey, I lit the spoon and I scrape the balls. Scrape the balls, scrape the balls. Seen way too many ones. I'm about to throw some honeys.
Nenopirkās šiltās, kā es teicu, jā.
Kā vienmēr, nepaklausējiet.
Jep. Čau visiem, kā es redzu, mēs ar bagiem. Nu, jūs tikko vlogā redzēt, bļā, tik smuki kadrā iztījās kā sauc, smiltis. Nacionāls rekomendācijas ar bagiem atbraucām, tas smuki. Re, kur ir mums tā nacionālā parka, kā viņi sauc, Blue Lagoon. Ūdens ir zils, smurfu krāsā zils, ļoti smuki izstās. Pusies rekus vēri jāplēnām. Džodī. 5 eiro dono, es iegrūžu Rainaru no Klints.
Can't be sleeping, keep on waking without the woman next to me. Guilt is burning, inside I'm hurting. This ain't a feeling I can keep. So blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Can't you see it? I was manipulated. I had too little through the door. Oh, I had no choice in this. I was the friend she missed. She needed me to talk, so blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me.
Čātiņa Kiprā ir ļoti forša. Pirmkārt, ļoti silti, ļoti smuka atmosfēra, ļoti forši cilvēki. Otrkārt, ļoti lēti. Ļoti lēti un ļoti forši. Paskaties uz maniem zvēriem. Mīlam, cienam draugus un ceļojam apkārt pasaulē.
Es teicu,
Varam!
Annietu, kur īsti nevarēs šeit.
Nē, es nekurīšu. Bet paipiņš arī stīvīs, tas ir kā pipelīte, ne? Paņēmu bongu un paipu. Dāvinājums, viņi vienkārši smuki ir. Es viņus neizmantošu neko, es viņus vedīšu uz Latviju. Mums vajag, un varētu cik pasies, ko mēs ņemam. Vai tu video? Džoņāri. 35 eiro šits. 15 eiro, es zinu, kam kā dāvinu šito uzdāvinu. Kā dekorācija. Es paņēmu šitādu, bet dzeltenu.
O, jā.
Es parādīšu jums. Vienkārši pateica, ka gribam, lai mums akcija ir, jo mēs būsim pastāvīgie klienti šeit. Un viņi zvana bosam tagad un prasa atlaidi. Reāli, man liekas, ja tu ej kaut kur un kaut ko filmē un tu paprasi atlaidi, tad vienkārši jāpaprasa ir. Piekrita uz atlaidīti, tagad noskaidrosim, cik liela.
Okay, I give you the hash gift. No, Nick. I give you
Okay.
the hash free, okay?
Ietaupījām 15 eiro. Ja grib akciju vai uzmanību, bosam mums hašišu pa brīvu iedeva. Šovakar mēs esam apbombījušies un mēs esam Old Village tavernā, kur skan smuka, dzīvā mūzika. Kur Rainers būs vēlāk. Taisīs privātu striptīzi. Rainers taisīs striptīzu stand-upu mums. Es paņēmu meksikāņu vistu. Un mojito un sour whisky. Medusmeister.
Masterclass! O, romantika!
Bļa, bez štrafa. Iemarinēju vakariņas. Slapjas bikses atkal viņam būs. Dārens arī uztaisīja estētisku snapu ar jūras
Estētisku snapu!
A kur ir alkohols? Tu teici atvest alkoholu no mašīnas.
Blin, tur ir pilndies un visādām statujām, ko tur ir jāiet lejā.
Kartupulīši ļoti forši.
Rībiņas labas.
Jā.
Nav pārāk mīgs.
Man ir asa vistiņa. Rīsi. Rīsi ir mēsls. Bet vispārējais ir labs pagaid. Iedos savu ribiņu. Jā. Es nozagšu no medus ribiņu un iedošanas review. Jo es vakar ēdu ribiņu. Tad es varēšu iedot honest review.
Es arī nozagšu.
Šitām ribiņām daudzreiz labāks seasonings un marināde. Ļoti labāka marināde nekā pagājušajā vietā, kur jūs redzējāt, kur mēs ēdām. Šitās daudzreiz labāks. Visiem, kas skatās, labu apetīti. Paldies, ka skaties video tik tālu. Uzspiežat laiku. Man interesē, Rainer. Sorry, tavējs review. Trash? Iedos pagaršot. Kas tev ir?
Bļaļ, spageti boloņa.
Boloņēzi? Ar ko tev ir viņa?
Hēms un es nezinu.
Nav labi. Yes, thank you. Darēn, ko tu ēdi?
Es ēdu meatballs.
Ar ko?
Ar īsiem un kartupeļiem.
Kas tev bija par meatballiem? Kāds gaļas?
Beef un pork. Minst.
Bija labas?
Bija, ka jā.
Ap medusmeistaram es lieku arī. Es lieku actually 8,7, jo tās ribiņas ir ļoti labas.
Medums labākais ir. Defo. Man pat gribās nozagt vēl.
Droši. Es esmu tādā vafelē. Tas ir Vondara. Vondara, kurš tā dara? Ko tu ar manu kokteili izdarīja? Thank you.
Kas pa nahuj? Evo, saka, vai tu ūdeni jūs?
Rūdeni būtu vēl dārgāk. Ja būtu ūdens, tad vispār būtu.
Šitai pagaidām būs dārgākā maltīte.
Normāls esi? Nebija tik vērts.
Labi, ņemot vērā, mums aizgāja 50 euros kokčām.
Kādā kokča, bļaļ, 10 gandrīz.
Padomā 4 kokčas. Dārnam kotlets izskatījās tā kā nīlzarga pauti.
Oh, I'm so sorry, babe.